Good morning, children. Yesterday I have discussed some of the chemical properties of group 15 elements. That was the formation of hydrides, oxidation state. Now I will discuss some more properties of group 15 elements. The next property is reactivity towards halogens. These elements form two types of halides. One is of type EX3 and other is EX5, where X is halogen. All these halides are sp3 hybridized. They are pyramidal in shape, but nitrogen does not form pentahalides because nitrogen is not having d orbital. All other elements are more stable with that of a EX3 type of halides. There are two reasons for the formation of EX3 type halides. One is inert pair effect. For the higher elements, the two electrons present in s orbital show reluctance for the formation of chemical bond. So they form halides of the type EX3. Second, the strength of EX bond decreases as we move down the group. There is a more steric hindrance which is increases. All the pentahalides are trigonal bipyramidal in shape. The next one is the reactivity of group 15 elements with metals. They form nitrite, phosphite, antimonite with all these elements like calcium nitride, calcium phosphide, sodium antimonide. Then there is a zinc antimonide, sodium arsenide, magnesium bismuthnide. Such type of only compounds are formed while they react with metals here. Next is the reactivity towards oxygen. They form two type of oxides. One is of E2O3 and second one is E2O5 type. E is a metal, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony or bismuth. Nitrogen is found in +1 to +5 oxidation states with that of a oxygen, NO2, N2O, N2O4, N2O5, etc. because of the formation of p-pi multiple bond. The other elements are more stable in the oxides of that of a E2O3 type joint. All these oxides in the higher oxidation states are acidic. This acidic character decreases as we move down the group because there is an increase in the metallic character takes place. Bismuth oxide react with nitric acid to form salt, bismuth nitrate, with the release of water. Now I will tell you about the preparation of nitrogen in the laboratory, commercially